In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the inside of a shape transparent in Canva, and it's going to look just like this. Now we can do this for all of the shapes which Canva has. Now to find these shapes, we simply want to come up to the Elements section just here. Now let's do that again because I was already on Shapes. So if we go back, that's it, we're going to come to Elements just there, and then we're going to come down to Shapes. Now if you can't find the shapes, if you scroll through, they will be here, or you can just type in the type of shape that you want. But we want these Canva shapes just here. Now if we click on here, there's lots of different shapes. We have a square, so let's move this here. We have a circle, triangle, stars, octagons, and so many more. Now to turn these transparent is really simple. What we want to do is click onto the shape, and then we're going to come up to the border style just here. Now there's a few different borders which we can choose from, but we need a border because this is going to be the outline of our transparent shape. So let's go with solid. Let's make that a little bit thicker like that. Let's go just with maybe 10 on the border, and let's play around and change the color. Let's change that to yellow. Now from here we can see that this is a solid color, so we want to go onto the color icon, and then we want to choose this one just here with that red line through it where it says no color. If we click on there, we now have our transparent shape. Now let's go ahead and do it on the circle. So we're going to add a border. Let's do that 10 as well, just like that. We'll change this one to yellow, and then we'll go on to the color and make transparent. Let's do the triangle as well. So border, just like that, we're going to do 10. Then we're going to change that color to transparent and change that border color, just like that. Now let's move these together. We can select multiple, make them bigger as well, just like that. So that's just how simple it is to make the inside of a shape transparent here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.